Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 Brabus Royal Class Motorhome is a groundbreaking advancement in luxury travel, establishing a new standard for extravagance, performance, and tailored customization. Brabus, renowned for its exceptional automobile refinement, extends its expertise in luxury and power to recreational vehicles, crafting a motorhome that serves as a mobile palace for the most selective clientele. This is not only an enhancement, it is a thorough redefinition of premium automotive standards. The exterior of the Brabus Royal Class Motorhome exemplifies the brand's distinctive aesthetic, bold, yet flawlessly sophisticated. It would presumably be constructed on a durable, yet aesthetically refined chassis, potentially a bespoke derivative of a high-end truck platform such as Mercedes-Benz Unimog or a comparable sturdy base. Brabus's distinctive design elements would be ubiquitous. A striking, special grille with integrated LED illumination, aerodynamic carbon fiber body panels, and large, custom alloy wheels equipped with high-performance all-terrain tires. The finish would be flawless, maybe showcasing Brabus's signature black matte or a rich, lustrous bespoke hue, complemented by polished stainless steel or chrome accents. Notwithstanding its considerable dimensions, the design would accentuate a vigorous, commanding posture, suggesting the latent performance potential within. Integrated auxiliary lighting, robust skid plates, and a retractable awning would indicate its expeditionary preparedness, all constructed with exceptional perfection. The interior of the Brabus Royal Class Motorhome exemplifies the essence of royal class. It epitomizes the pinnacle of tailored personalization, providing an atmosphere designed to the utmost levels of opulence and individual preference. Anticipate an ensemble of superior materials, hand-stitched premium leather or Alcantara upholstery in any imaginable hue, exotic wood veneers, polished carbon fiber, and precisely engineered metal accents. The design will be fully customizable, tailored to the owner's lifestyle, possibly incorporating several living areas, a gourmet professional-grade kitchen, and luxurious sleeping accommodations. The center lounge area will serve as a sanctuary of comfort and technology, with advanced entertainment equipment, including a large, retractable high-definition screen and a custom surround sound audio system. The kitchen will have high-end appliances, solid surface counters, and innovative storage solutions. The master suite would serve as a private sanctuary, equipped with a king-sized bed, an expansive walk-in wardrobe, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom that includes high-end fixtures, a rainfall shower, and possibly a bidet or heated toilet seats. Advanced smart home technology would integrate lighting, climate control, entertainment, and security seamlessly, all manageable through a central interface or a specialized application. The luxury look and interior are supported by a power plant designed for exceptional performance. Brabus would likely utilize a bespoke, high-performance engine, potentially a V12 or a robust V8, providing substantial torque for seamless cruising and assured acceleration, even under full load. The chassis would use a sophisticated adaptive air suspension system, delivering an extraordinarily smooth and silent ride while adeptly mitigating road imperfections. Brabus prioritizes luxury without sacrificing capability, outfitting the motorhome with a durable four-wheel drive system and advanced traction control for traversing varied terrains. Safety would be key, with a multitude of innovative driver assistance technologies guaranteeing reassurance on every voyage. The 2027 Brabus Royal Class Motorhome is not simply a vehicle, it is an unequivocal declaration of affluence, sophistication, and a sense of adventure. It establishes a new benchmark, demonstrating that the pinnacle of luxury travel may be encountered globally, within a movable setting that competes with the most prestigious mansions.